Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello teacher, tutor, and my friends. Here I will make a video tutorial segment 3 from part 1 and part 2. Is there any public hospital near here? Of course, there is a public hospital on Jalan Marta Dinata next to the drugstore. Where is the National Bank of Indonesia? National Bank of Indonesia is on Jalan Yosudarso near the Chinese restaurant. Where is Ramayana Department Store? On Jalan Yosudarso, right next to the Chinese restaurant. Excuse me, are there any restaurant around here? Of course, there is on Jalan Yosudarso between Ramayana and National Bank of Indonesia. Can you tell me where the drugstore are, please? Of course, I will tell you the drugstore in on Jalan Sudarso near the railway station. Can you tell me the way to the railway station, please? Of course you can. On Jalan Marta Dinata, you straight. After finding the junction, you turn left and go straight. Right in front of the National Bank of Indonesia. What is your hobby? My hobby is reading novels. When do you usually do your hobby? Usually, I read novels on holiday. What do you usually do in your spare time? Usually, I read books or do not attend religious studies. Do you do the activity very often? Of course, I often do these activities. How often do you do the activity your spare time? Usually once a week. Where do you usually go for recreation? To the Al-Jabar Mosque. Maybe that's enough for a segment 3 from part 1 and part 2. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.